Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the Corvette Posse channel. We today are at the Centerville Dragway and we're getting ready to do some runs. We have the DragStrip has been reserved for Corvettes this morning, so we're going to make some runs. I'm not sure how many cars are going to be here, but I got the C7 Grand Sport today, so we'll see how it does. We have a little chilly day. Actually, when I left the house this morning, it was 37 degrees. Right now it's like 46, so we'll see what the traction's like. But if nothing else, it's just gonna be fun to go out and get the car run some times. So hope you enjoy that. All right, so we're getting ready to go. Bernard and I are the first ones down the track. Just got our driver meeting. Got Bernard over there. Ready to roll? Ready to roll, buddy?
Yep.
All right. So we're gonna get everything all set up and see how we can do this here. Now Bernard's got Z06, so obviously a ton more horsepower, but he's a manual car. So I got the automatic, so we'll see how it makes a difference. He's bone stock. I guess he's got K&N cold air intake. I've got the GM cold air intake and the Borla X pipe. So, but I'm obviously not anywhere close to the horsepower side for that B's got. But we'll check this out and see how it goes. Pretty good. A little nervous going down track. It's still not quite 50 degrees yet, but seemed to go okay. So we'll see what the time was here in a second. They did prep the track right before we left, so that was kind of nice. It certainly helped. It did bite pretty good.
82. There we go, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So I had a 1975 reaction time at 2:060 foot. That's not great, and a 10:14. So it's a start anyway. All right, so we're just gonna go back to back. We're gonna switch lanes. I'll go in the left-hand lane here, and we'll see how we do. So we're just sitting here waiting for them to call us in. All right. If he got me at the end or not. He was coming on pretty strong for sure. So we'll have to see what the time tickets tell us. Thank you, ma'am. All right, so we'll take take a look here and see what the thing was. So I got him, and let's see, I ran a 10:09 with a terrible reaction time. Holy cow! Well, 198 60 foot, so it's a little better. Ran a 10:09 at 107. B ran a 10:10 at 114. So he was definitely coming on quick.
All right, guys, here we go. We're at Centerville Dragstrip, and we've got two Corvette posse members fixing to go at it on the strip. 1,000 foot. We got B and his black Z07, and we got Rich and his black Rose Grand Sport. Here we go, guys. Not their best run of the day, but it does look like that Grand Sport hooked up a little better than that Z, and Rich got him again.
All right, here we go. I'm getting ready to do the traction control. We're going up against Glenn in a yellow Z06. I've got 1010 dial in. Glenn's got 1025 dial in. And we're gonna start bracket racing here and see how it goes. So, you know the rules for bracket racing. You set your time, and then you just don't break out. So a lot of it's based off consistency and your ability to cut a good light. So we'll see how this goes. Runs pretty good. Lost traction, so it wasn't great. Won't be a great 60 foot, but see how we did against our 1010 dial in.
You had the better light.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. So, let's see what we got here. Ooh, I caught an 037 light. That's not bad for me. And around 1065. Yeah, I lost, 2-1 on the 60 foot. So, lost a lot out of the hole, but not bad. Take take that out of the light. Second round, I won the first round against Glenn, the Z06. I changed my dial in to a 10-15. I am racing, if you can see it back there in my rearview mirror. I'm racing Bob, and he's got a Procharged Stingray, and he ran an 8.8. I'm not sure what his dial in is, but yeah, it's going to be certainly be leaving early. I spun horribly, so with any luck he broke out. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, this thing spun something fierce, so we'll just have to see if Bob broke out. And he didn't. He's getting the white ticket, so I lost, and I'm out.
Red light.
He did?
You did.
Oh, I did?
Red light.
Oh, did he break out? Oh, shoot. Oh, well, I was trying. All right, thanks. Damn it, I red lit. How did I do that? Oh, 08. I went red 08. Oh, well. All right. So that was a blast. A lot of fun. Hate to lose on a red light, but that's the way it goes. I knew I had to cut a good light with him because that car is super stout. He ran a 9:15, and I let out, so mine doesn't really matter. But yeah. So anyway, that was a lot of fun, a lot of blast. You know, again, big thanks to Centerville Dragway. A lot of fun. This is a great place. Local tracks. If you have an opportunity, I mean, obviously if you're in the Central Arkansas area, you know, check them out. But you know, check out local tracks in your area because you know, they're just a lot of fun. Neat places to go. Good people. And a lot of fun if you can find those bracket nights to go out and run your car. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Go check out the store, grab some merch, CorvettePosse.com, and we will catch you later. Have a good day.